Hey guys, New York Dan here for Ben's Products channel. Welcome to my channel. I got some advice for you today about the website Temu. It's kind of like the Chinese version of Amazon. You guys may know that I've been looking at stuff on there and I've been tempted to try it. Well, I placed some orders for a few of their items, including a drone. That's going to come in handy for doing video on the channel possibly. We're going to evaluate it and test it. Another item, a big one this time, an e-bike. I'm going to tell you more about this soon. I placed an order for an e-bike. You heard me right, on Temu. We're going to test this out, evaluate it. I'm going to show you guys what it turns out to be. This is stuff that I've been on the fence about. It's a little risky, I think, ordering from them. My nephew commented on one of my videos. He's like, your identity's going to be stolen. Let's hope not. But I've been posting the last couple of days as I've been doing this, looking through the site and ordering. I've been posting some short videos about how they kind of trick you. That's right. They use Vegas style games to kind of get you to buy more stuff than you wanted. It's happened to me. I bought a whole load of little stuff from Temu, jewelry, chains, household stuff. I bought it and I earned a $50 credit. I showed in my other video. The question is, what's the quality like? And I'm going to show you guys about all the stuff as it arrives. Right now, today, I wanted to show you something I learned. This is valuable. If you go on their site or you use their app, you're definitely going to want to keep this in mind, because I already paid the price for not paying attention to this. I'm going to show you exactly what happened here. Okay, so the problem is when you go to their website or their app, I have the app on my phone, right? Now they got all kinds of crazy stuff here. Check this out. It actually showed some men's wigs when I opened the channel up. You believe that? Automatically. It shows you all kinds of weird stuff. It gives you this daily gift box. They have this game on here called Make It Rain, and it's like a slot machine style game that you can end up playing on the website. Oh, my phone dimmed down. I gotta do this. Look at this, fast delivery, $1.99, price / extravaganza. They give you a whole bunch of different things. A lot of it will say this page only. Yummy deals, all kinds of weird stuff comes up. Okay, I'm going to tell you right now, if you go here to the site and you're trying to you get enticed by one of their things like a daily gift box or whatnot, and it says this page only, you got to be real careful. When you look in your cart, you see a lot of times they don't even show you. At the bottom of the page, this was very hard to get to. Look, you see this came up. See, it says buy now. Now, let's see if I can do this. Add to cart. Let's see if I go to my cart. Okay, here's my cart right here. This is what you got to be very careful of. Checkout, right? You get excited. It lists these items. What you got to do, you see this $2.99 or add $13.94 for free shipping from. Ships from. A lot of these things are from third-party suppliers like Amazon. Quite a few, actually. What you need to do in the top here, add $60 to use, $5 off on items shipped from Temu. On the top here, it will show you somewhere on the top of the screen here the items that are shipping directly from Temu. Okay, the problem is in this list of items, I have a feeling these are all shipping from different suppliers. You see this one? Shipping from local arrives. Ships from local warehouse maybe. It's possibly from Temu, but you got to be very careful. Let's see if I hit that, what that says. No, local warehouse. Okay, that one might be. Point being, you got to make sure that it's shipping from Temu to get the free shipping. Otherwise, they say free shipping, but all of it's like you got to spend $30 or more if it's shipping from each category, or not category, each supplier. So point being, if you get a whole bunch of items that you think you're getting good deals on, it's very easy to just put checkout, and you'll find later that each item that they're sending, they're charging you a shipping fee as well because it's shipped from like a third party. So you might get a good price, especially if you're buying like a cheap item. Okay, the item might be only like $2, right, for something small, but then you get hit with like a $2.99 shipping charge. And if you get like a whole bunch of those, you're paying a lot more money than you bargained for. Especially if you're doing, sometimes they have like a 99-cent page or something like that. So then each item you think you're getting for $1, you're paying like $4 for each item. And then you pay tax. I live in a tough state, New York, a blue state. They charge you tax, sales tax, on your shipping. So if you're only getting $1 item, they're charging you $3 shipping. Guess what? In New York, you're paying sales tax on $4 worth of stuff because you got the shipping fee and the item. And we're almost paying 10% here. So that's another buck, right? Another 40 cents right there. So then it's getting close to $5 you're paying for like an item that was supposed to be less than $1. So I'm just warning you guys, this took me a while to figure out while I was doing this. They hide a lot of that stuff from you. You got to navigate back to their homepage because a lot of it's tricky. It says, this is only good for this page only, items on this page only. So you're afraid to leave the page. You can, in fact, leave the page. I think if you go in your shop, you can go back and forth from that page to your shopping cart. So look in your shopping cart, see where the item's shipping from, then go back to that. You just backtrack to that same, this page only. It gives you an option from the cart. That's how you do it. Keep checking the cart. And then if the item's not shipping from Temu, delete it from your cart and look for other items that will ship from them. This is a very street smart, valuable tip I'm giving you guys. It cost me some money to figure this out, unfortunately. But I'm glad to share it with you guys. And let's see how this stuff is. I'm very excited to get these products. I got some really good deals. So I'm going to tell you about the e-bike in a future video. I want to get everything correct that I say. I want to show you what I'm getting, figure it all out. So I look forward to seeing you guys then. Subscribe to the channel. Check the other automotive videos I have. And have a great evening, night, morning, or day. I will see you in the next one. Oh yeah, by the way, hit the thumbs up for me. Thanks.